Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix inactive conversion tracking in Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Fixing inactive conversion tracking in Google Ads is crucial for accurately measuring your campaign's performance. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you resolve this issue. Ensure that the conversion tracking tag is correctly implemented on your website. You can use the tag assistant to verify if the tag is firing correctly. Now verify conversion actions. In your Google Ads account, go to the Tools and Settings icon and select Conversions under the Measurement section. Check the status of your conversion actions. If they show as unverified or tag inactive, you need to troubleshoot the tag implementation. Use Tag Assistant. Launch the Tag Assistant from your Google Ads account to test your conversion actions. Follow the steps to connect to your website and trigger the conversion action. Refresh the conversion page to see the updated status. Ensure that your conversion settings are correctly configured. This includes checking the conversion window, attribution model, and other settings that might affect tracking. Ensure there are no conflicts with other tags or scripts on your website that might interfere with the conversion tracking tag. At last, consult Google Ads Help. If you continue to experience issues, consult the Google Ads Help Center for more detailed troubleshooting steps and support. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.